All right, for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing how to use the Underlay tool. It's a very useful and helpful tool, especially when you're building multiple story buildings. And so yeah, I'll just go ahead and show you how to use that and why it is useful. So right here I have drawn just a simple outline of the house I'm going to start designing. And I know that I want it to be a three-level, three-story duplex. And so what I'm going to do is, now that I have this first floor, these walls only go up that first floor. I want to build the next two levels of walls so that I can start doing more design with that. And I want to make sure that my walls line up so that I'm not building something and having it completely off of everything else, because that's really awkward. It doesn't do us any good. So we need to use the Underlay tool. And in order to do that, we'll come over here to the Properties tab and scroll down to where it says Underlay. We're going to go ahead and click, we want to see level 1 under level 2. And you don't really select anything here, but it allows you to just be able to see what is going on immediately under this. So now I can go ahead and build walls on top of the ones on the first level. Awesome. And these walls are currently unconstrained at the top. So I'm going to go and set them to have their top constraint be level 3, so that they only go up to level 3. And you can see that here. And then we're going to do the same thing over on level 3. We're going to come over to the base underlay, and we're going to click level 2, click apply, so that we can be able to see those walls up here as well. And we'll go ahead and build these ones here as well. And currently, these walls are also at an unconnected height. I don't have my roof level set up quite yet, but for now I'm just going to go in and change that to be not 1 foot, but 10 feet. There we go. Just like my other ones. Now you may be wondering, why don't I just build a wall that goes all the way up these 3 stories? And the answer I have to that is, doing this allows you to be able to be a little bit more creative with your design. You can be able to take, let's say you want to move in these walls 10 feet from the ones under it as a design element that you want to do. It will allow you to do that without completely moving everything that you already have set up. So you can get a little bit more creative and allow what you do on one level not to mess up what you have on the other one, but still be able to have everything lined up, so that the builders aren't confused when they're looking at your plans. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and have a great day.